Hi everyone, it's day 95 and what we are doing today? Today we are focusing again from the previous error or the problem we have not resolved yet to the end of the testing, at least for tonight. So let's get back to the testing first. So you remember we have made a document and we were testing these things. So I have just started the server, but to let you know what I made the error in the search API. Basically, here I have added one of the variables which do not require, and I haven't added the location here in these two. That made the error, and we are not able to resolve that. Also, there is no role actually defined here. We have to define it in a way like this. That's why we were getting another error. So I've resolved all of those things, and you can see the code now. So let's test it out from the search itself. So for search, we require login. Let's try it out and the login. What will we send? We'll send test. So we get the access token and we will just copy it for testing purpose and paste it in the authorize. So it will authorize for every other value. Now we will just try it out. Let's try T. First we get the data and let's try out something like array, which do not exist. Again, it is sending the same data. Because there is something in the email or something, username array just found. So we got this, right? So we have tested this. Now review post. For this, we have to add a post. Get post, we have to post. So let's choose one of the images. Any image we have in the, let's say, pictures, this image, open. Now, this is API testing. The error. Why? Because, again, the same issue. See first here slash API slash post. Caption string. Now in the post API, post image and caption. By default, it is taking string. Getting 415. So we have to convert that into, let's remove this. So we get some string format and let's pick some image. See this image. And link is also, what you say? Let's say link is also a string. This will work. image caption. Corner 15. Is correct. Should be multi-part. It should be now changed to again any of the posts. Application.json. That's where we are getting the error. And now you see post created. So now if the post get created, what we want the post ID so that we will found in the database. Let's consider this for now. Execute. Post mark for review, and now we will, if we refresh this, we can see under review 1. Status is still 1 because it can see. Still it's under review. Similarly, user review. I'm trying to do user review for the same user for now. Now user ID is this. Also, you can see this is marked for review, and you can see under review 1 again. Right? So these APIs are working. Now we have to do the admin parts. For that, we have to log out and log in again with admin. Now this is admin. For now, this is this. Let me execute this. I get this. Of this user, I will add that. Authorize. Now first let all the get. Page 1 size is 30. Fail to fetch because admin slash user not found. Control F slash user, and I want to convert to admin slash users. Get. Now this will work. Now we can see the error, actual error in the code. and we are getting in the user admin get function. And where we are getting this? Object of query pagination. We have what we have to do? We have to do similar thing like this. We have to convert similar thing here, the return. Instead of that, I want to use temp users. This should be temp users. We'll restart the server again. Now we found the user list and get the data. Why? Because we have said that under review is true. So the only review part is this person. Now either we can remove this or we have some user ID 51. Yes. So we want to block it. First, let's make it happen. If we block it, it will block it. User block. But what happens if we make it false? It will again says user block. Now if we see that in the put, block equals to false. See the data. Still under review. So now this need to be changed. We are getting the same response. It means we are not going there if block is false. So check like this, print block, the basic debugging step. So it is not printing, so it is going here only. Let's try this. So let me print block, type of block as well. Understand what has happened here. And for that, I have also found an error because after review, if I have either blocked or removed, it must have been removed from the review. Even though I have sent it a false, it is getting true. Now the question is why? You can do like this. You can convert it to integer, and with true false, it will convert it into 0 or 1. And let's see. Now, if we get the error, we will resolve that using that only. All right. See request dot request parser dot add argument type parameters. RESTful. We will see the documentation. Type in. So what did we get? We get some error response as 400. Put type integer till I'm getting true with 0. Now we are getting false. Exactly what we want. This, and here we can write required equals to true. Solve our problem for that. We got it here. Now else will also work. If we do this, block this, we have tested. Now for this, we want to change this to active. Now it can delete the user, but I don't want to delete it. So put actually now in the post review, same delete will, I will not do the delete part for now. Post review. Let me see. It's review post, not post review. Post restricted. So it worked. Similarly, let me do the same for post. For it is post review APIs. Admin put post restricted under review false, status false. At beginning, status is true. Now, similarly, delete will, I will not do the delete. Try delete for the post. It will just delete the post and you can come here and see there is no data. Now, similarly for count, let's try this. Admin slash count is not there. Admin slash counts. So we have made the documentation and it's documentation error. Nothing to worry. So we get something. Total users 2, total post is 0, users and review is 0. So let's just by changing the user to under review just to 1. Now in the count API, if you see, now we see the change, right? So these all our APIs are tested. Now we, from tomorrow, what we will do, we will start integrating our APIs. I hope you enjoyed the session for this testing and understand the importance of testing. We found some error, we resolved that by sitting here. That's all from my side. Thank you.